In the era of economic globalization, overseas trading has become a new growth driver for many home furnishing companies in China. In 2023, Oppein Home Group's overseas revenue grew strongly, with a year-on-year increase of 46.5%. Overseas business has played a continuous and significant role in shaping Oppein's history. Our history is not just the story of a company expanding into international trade, but also the journey of a Chinese manufacturing enterprise actively embracing the nation's "Go Out" policy. In 1994, Mr. Yao founded the predecessor of Oppein Home Group, Kong-Jie Kitchen Equipment Company. He successfully introduced the European concept of integrated cabinets and its unique home lifestyle to Chinese consumers. In 2004, Oppein opened its first overseas franchise showroom in Los Angeles. That same year, our products were exported to more than 20 countries and regions, including the United States, Japan, Canada, and Australia. After nearly 20 years of overseas market exploration and development, Oppein has established an extensive global sales network. We have opened over 8,000 direct stores and franchise showrooms in more than 60 countries and regions across Europe, the Americas, the Middle East, Asia, and Australia. Further, our customized home furnishing products are exported to over 130 countries and regions, completing thousands of large-scale overseas projects and earning high recognition from global partners. In February 2024, Oppein's first North American RTA cabinetry wholesale showroom was grandly opened in Toronto, gathering more than 100 guests. The event also received congratulatory letters from local officials. In June 2024, Panama's president attended the grand opening ceremony of Oppein Panama showroom as a special guest. Our unique expertise in delivering whole house solutions helped us earn the trust of our local franchisee and helped establish a strong, collaborative partnership. By continuously improving our overseas business support, Oppein's service for large-scale projects now covers more than 100 countries in Australia, Southeast Asia, Europe, and North America. Throughout our global expansion, Oppein has actively established a network of direct and franchise showrooms, empowering our partners to innovate their sales strategies. This effort has garnered extensive media attention and high acclaim internationally. Also, we have focused on developing and optimizing online platforms, streamlining ordering channels to enhance the user experience for both franchisees and consumers. These initiatives showcase our deep understanding of industry trends, enabling us to accelerate overseas expansion and unlock new growth opportunities in a competitive market. With deeper economic integration, the international home furnishing market is presenting increasingly broad development opportunities. The ongoing progress in international development cooperation, coupled with supportive export policies in the furniture industry, has created highly favorable conditions for us to expand globally. Exploration, breakthrough, rooting, prosperity. These four stages of globalization perfectly encapsulate the step-by-step journey we at Oppein have undertaken. We have steadily progressed through the first three milestones, from the exploration phase, when we first began trading overseas, to the breakthrough phase marked by our acquisition of the Italian furniture manufacturer, Forma, and then to the rooting phase in recent years, during which we established showrooms in Canada, the UAE, the UK, the US, Panama, Kuwait, Qatar, Vietnam, and many other countries. Today, we are proud to be recognized as a globally renowned home furnishing brand. What started 30 years ago as a journey of learning from overseas markets has now transformed into a story of surpassing them. At Oppein, we believe that home is an irreplaceable sanctuary for people. Guided by our corporate philosophy, where there is home and love, there is Oppein. We remain steadfast in our commitment to progress. Our mission is to bring Oppein home to families around the world and to establish ourselves as a proud, century-old enterprise.